You want this avatar decoration for free by playing this interesting game. So for that, open your Discord app. Here you will find a new game pop up at right hand side corner. Now click on arrow to start the game. If you don't get the pop-up option, you can simply go to your user settings. Simply click on settings icon. Now you have to scroll down and click on the last meadow, and here you'll find the play game option. Just click to start the game. And here you can see the game is loaded and it is with the grass theme. Here you will find some widgets and the grass counter, and all widgets have their special powers. You have to simply hover on these widgets to read their special powers. And now we are starting the game. To start the game, just click on the grass and the game begins. At the beginning, one click considered as one touch. You have to continuously touch the grass to unlock the widgets. You can see here 15 clicks equals to one sunflower. So I unlock the sunflower and it is doing auto clicks in behalf of me. You can see here 5, 6, 7, 8. As you unlock more widgets, that helps you to get the free avatar decoration more faster. Now I am fast forwarding the game to save the time. If you will find these white things on your screen, remove this because they can reduce your grass counts drastically. Here the game ends and you can simply find out your scores, and from here you can claim your avatar decoration by click on the button, and simply you can avail your free avatar decoration. To confirm that, simply click on your user settings, then go to your profiles option, and here you will find the change decoration option, and you can simply change your decoration from here and click on apply, then save your settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like Discord related content, and join our Discord server for more fun. If you want Discord Nitro for free, watch this video.